open up the door and the window slipped out of place, dropped inside, crooked, or jammed halfway. Before you replace the regulator, there's a few things to check. First, is the regulator still moving properly? If the motor and track are intact, the issue might be with the glass clips or sliders. Most glass panels are secured with plastic sliders or tabs that mount directly to the track. If they crack, wear out, or pop loose, the glass can drift off track even though the regulator is still working. Now, if the glass is still good, carefully reseat it into the guide track and replace any broken sliders. Don't reuse worn or cracked clips, they'll just fail again. Cycle the regulator slowly to make sure that the window rises evenly and seals at the top. If it shifts or binds, check your bracket alignment before locking everything down. When a window jumps the track, it's not always a bad part, but if you skip the small stuff, it can become one. So take the time, check the details, and the fix will stick.